Hello, I'm Sarah Dawn of Sarah Dawn's Designs, and today we're talking how to do the crossing cables you see in the Palomar top. We're working in the absolutely gorgeous Bella Tweed yarn from Universal Yarns and using a Knit Picks rainbow wood cable needle to hold the cable stitches in place. Let's start with the 2/1 Right Purl Cross, so named since the 2-stitch cable crosses over one stitch and moves to the right. Take the next stitch from the left-hand needle and slip it purlwise onto the cable needle. Put the cable needle at the back of the work. Now, knit 2 stitches from the left-hand needle. Then, purl the stitch from the cable needle. That's it! You've done the 2/1 Right Purl Cross. The Left Purl Cross follows almost exactly the same principle, except, as you can guess from the name, it moves to the left. Take the next 2 stitches from the left-hand needle and slip them purlwise onto the cable needle. Put the cable needle at the front of the work. Purl 1 stitch from the left-hand needle, then knit the 2 stitches from the cable needle. And that's the 2/1 Left Purl Cross. If you're following along with the Palomar top pattern, you will have also seen the 2x2 right cross and 2x2 left cross cables too, and you can find that tutorial on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and happy knitting!